Morning guys, August 24th, 2022. This one here I got a call for AC leaking in the basement. Guy's got a condensate pump down there. He says it's leaking, so maybe it's a bad pump. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. Might be an easy one. Easy's good. I don't think it's the pump. I don't think it's the pump because it's not all the way up to the top there. Let's see if we get some water in it. See if it pumps out. Might be the unit itself is overflowing. Yeah, so it's going to be the unit itself is overflowing. That's pumping fine. He did put bleach in it, he said. I don't think that's the problem. I think it's right in this trap here, so what we'll do is we'll make a cut here. And we'll put our vacuum on it and see if we could pull a vacuum and clean this trap out. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking right here, we'll make a cut. We'll put a coupling on there after. You think it's blocked? I do. Either that or low on charge. Could be that too. Low on charge. Well, we'll find out. Well, what happened was the trap was blocked. Hello? Yeah. The trap was blocked. So there was water in the pan and it was overflowing. Because I put water in the thing was fine. Pumping. So I vacuumed out the trap. There's water in this pump. There's water in here from this. This was blocked. So I could take this outside and show you how much water was in there. So this gets slimy also. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. Has it been cooling okay? Yes. No problem with that? No problem. Alright, why don't you go ahead and turn it on and we'll check. But I'll show you there's quite a bit of water in here. If you want to see it. It's quite a bit of water. That's what the problem was. And the pan's not that big, it's just on both sides of the A-coil. So, I mean, it doesn't hold a lot of water in that pan. So if that trap gets blocked, slimy, it can't drain out, it overflows into the furnace and leaks on the floor.